Like literally, it's just so fluffy and pretty. Like, come on, look at the material. Look at the material.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Winnie?
Hey y'all, so I have this really pretty 24-inch curly wig from Beauty Forever. I am obsessed. It's a 13x4 frontal and it has a comb in the back and 2 on the sides. So I'm about to show you guys exactly how I install this. I'm probably not gonna talk that much because I really want y'all to be able to get into it and really like see exactly what to do when you get this hair. But so far it's really, really pretty. I'm excited to see what the curls are gonna look like once I like define them and everything, but let's get into it. The first thing I want to do is trim this little back part off. Normally I would pluck the wig first, but I actually want to pluck this wig once I have it on because you never know with the lighter colored hair. Sometimes having the hairline a little bit thicker looks better. And then I got my eyebrows done already and I am not trying to mess them up. So I'm only gonna leave a little bit of this excess lace on. I'm probably gonna cut about half of it off. Okay, so I've cut the lace right here behind the ear tabs and I've cut most of the excess lace off the front, but I left a little bit for styling purposes. And now I want to use a razor comb and cut these combs out. If you're going to install your wig glueless, then these can be really, really helpful. But if you are going to glue your wig, they can be a little bit uncomfortable to wear for multiple days, and I'm about to glue this wig on. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out, but feel free to keep them if you need that extra security. They do come in handy. Okay, so now I'm ready to get into the cuts. I really want to give this baby some layers. We're trying to give Beyonce, okay? So I went ahead and pressed the hairline back, and this is what she's given so far. I think I want to go for more of like an afro look with her, like a big moment. We're gonna see. I have like 16 little braids going straight back, but I'm just slicking my edges back so they don't get in my way when I'm trying to install my wig. So since this wig has color in it, I really want to be careful to slick all of my hair up, especially the hair in the back and along my edges, because since my hair is dark, it'll be really easy to see if it's poking out. So I use the edge controls to do that, and I want to just seal it with some Got2b glue spray. I always look so scared when I spray this. It's because it gives me anxiety. I know it's gonna be cold. All right, I'm gonna put a little extra on this side for good measure. If you wear wigs, you know that's gonna come up first, and I just don't have time this week. So as you can see, I'm just gonna keep blending the edges in until it looks like this, because it's gonna look a lot better under the wig than this side. You'll be able to see that little line, and I can't. And then when I finish with the ball cap, I will be back. Just taking a brush with some bronzer and applying that to the lace so it'll blend in with my skin. Okay, so we got the makeup in the lace, and I'm ready to just pop her on. All right, so let's clip some of this hair back. So I'm gonna take some alcohol, I think this is 70%, and I'm just going to clean my hairline. I'm gonna take some Bold Hold Extreme Cream because we gonna glue her down today, honey. And first, I'm gonna just apply a thin layer right at the edge of my wig cap Because since my hairline is already low, I don't want to take it lower and I don't have to. And I've been playing with applying the glue to my cap and my scalp lately, like bringing it back a little bit further, and I think that it does have a much better hold. So I'm using the back of a makeup brush and I'm just kind of spreading this product out. All right, so I got it pretty much dry, and now I'm going to just scoop the wig up so I can place it down. So I covered my little low sides pretty well, and I'm probably gonna have to cut a little bit off in the middle, but we're gonna see what it's giving. So while the glue is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and start to cut the hair. First, I'm just grabbing a section out of the crown so I can figure out how long I want like the bang area to be. I'm really about to wing it, y'all, so bear with me. Okay, so I have the cut finished. I love the way it looks. It's like perfectly big. I'm excited. So let's take the scarf off and see how it's laying. Ooh, girl, that was giving me a headache. Okay, so I have everything cut and installed. Now I'm gonna go in with this this moisture cocoa water. Sorry, I've had it so long it's like rubbed off. I'm like, what is this? But I'm just gonna spray it. I don't need my hair to be like soaking wet. I just want it to be damp so I don't have to use as much mousse, because that should be getting sticky and I don't have time for it. Just taking like a little brush to brush the product through. So now that I have it kind of wet, I'm going to use this olive oil mousse. I got it from my local beauty supply store. If I can find it on Amazon, y'all know I will link it. But I'm taking a nice healthy amount. And I'm gonna just spread that through this half of my hair. You know, lift it up, make sure you get it all up and through there. And I'm just kind of massaging it in until it's like fully incorporated into my hair. Give it a little scrunchy scrunch. And then I have to just wait for it to dry. But this is what it looks like so far. And I'm loving the way the cut looks. It still looks long, but I have a feeling once it dries, it's gonna be able to get really big. So I'm excited. I'm about to do the same thing on this side because this is a world of difference. Okay, so it's like 2 or 3 hours later and it is completely dry. When I tell you I am obsessed. Okay, like I know that's my favorite word. I know I say I'm obsessed all the time, but I am obsessed. Okay, between this baby hair right here and these curls and these highlights right here, I don't know what to do with myself. I'm really acting a fool at this point. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb because I cannot find my pick, and I'm just gonna start to lift up the hair and then comb, kind of like back comb the roots. And this is just gonna make it really big and voluminous. I really just want to be Beyonce today. I don't have time for no foolishness. So I'm gonna just kind of brush over it a little bit, make sure it's not too crazy. And this is the final look. It's giving the girls all the vibes. Very early 2000s. I literally am obsessed. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Like this video if you like this video. You know the drill with that. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you so much.